Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from TalentUpskill, Class 6 English Version Math, Exercise 2.1. Question number 15. The ratio of milk and sugar in Frumenty is 7:2. In the Frumenty, the quantity of sugar is 4 kg. What is the quantity of milk? So here again we got the ratio. The ratio of milk and sugar equals to 7:2. Therefore, if milk is 7x, then sugar is 2x. Why? Because it has to be 7x by 2x, and xx gone, it has to be 7:2. From question we get quantity of sugar is 4 kg. We can write as per question (2x) equals to 4 kg. Therefore, x equals to 4 by 2 kg equals to 2 kg. So we got the value of x. Now we get the answer. What is the quantity of milk? Quantity of milk is 7x. Therefore, quantity of milk equals to 7x equals to 7 multiply 2 kg equals to 14 kg. That is the answer. Question number 16. The ratio of the prices of two computers is 5:6. If the price of the first computer is 25,000 taka, what is the price of the second computer? First question. There is another question here. In case of price hike, if the price of the first computer is increased by taka 5,000, then what types of ratio of their prices will be? Okay, let's solve the first question. If ratio is this, or 5:6, and one of the quantity is 25,000 taka, what is the another quantity? So prices of two computers ratio is 5:6. The first computer, price of first computer is to price of second computer equals to 5:6. Price of the first computer is 25,000 taka. We will use x variable. That makes the solution easy. If price of first computer is 5x, then price of second computer is 6x. Why? Because the ratio has to be 5/6 or 5:6. Here 5x by 6x, x gone, the ratio is 5:6. The price of first computer is 25,000. Now we can write 5x equals to 25,000, and we can get the value of x. As per question, 5x equals to 25,000 taka. Therefore, x equals to 25,000 taka by 5 equals to, that will be 5,000 taka. Now we got the value of x. Can we find the value of 6x? That is the price of second computer. Therefore, price of second computer equals to, we know it is 6x. 6x equals to 6 multiply 5,000 taka equals to 30,000 taka. So we got the answer to the first question. Now we will answer the second question, or the second part. In case of price hike, if the price of the first computer is increased by taka 5,000. Now we got the price of first computer. Let us write again. Price of first computer, it was 25,000 taka. Price of second computer is 30,000 taka. Now, if the price of the first computer increases by 5,000, if price of first computer increases by 5,000 taka, then the price of computer, the price of first computer will be how much? 25,000 plus 5,000. Plus 5,000 taka equals to 30,000 taka. What will be the ratio of the prices? Therefore, after price hike, the ratio of the prices will be, the first computer price will be 30,000. We already found here 30,000 taka is to 30,000 taka. After price hike or after price increases, the price of both of the computers will be same. Both will be 30,000. So the ratio will be 30,000 taka is to 30,000 taka. 30,000 taka by 30,000 taka equals to, if we simplify taka gone, and 30,000 and 30,000 gone, divide both by 30,000, it becomes 1, So 1 by 1 equals to 1 is to 1. So that is a unit ratio. So what type of ratio it is? This is a unit ratio. This is a unit ratio. Thank you very much. If you have any question, please write it in the comment box. I will get back to you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.